Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In advance, thank you very much for the time and opportunity given. We hope for the leads try to introduction. First, let me introduce myself. My name is Ernie. Here I am as a moderator for this presentation. I am in a group with question of Aulia Fitri, Ernie, namely myself, and Jauhar Latifah. We are students from the Faculty of Engineering, Department of Informatics, Muhammadiyah University, Banjarmasin. And here we will present to five the text of the computer networks for supervision by Mr. Kamarudin M.Com. Okay, without extending the time, we will in detail enter into the presentation session and the title of our presentation today with about prototype file transfer protocol application for LAN and Wi-Fi communication. And Latifah will explain the first part. Latifah is welcome.
Okay, thank you for the opportunity. Here I will explain the methodology. Prototype file transfer protocol application for LAN and Wi-Fi communication. In the journal methodology that we review, namely TCP or IP, Transmission Control Protocol or Internet Protocol is a group of protocol that allow a collection of computers to communicate and exchange data in a network in general, and the Internet particular. Protocol is the medium used to connect sender and receiver. Protocol can be implemented in both hardware and software, so almost all communication that occurs on a computer network must involve a key protocol. For example, like the person sending the email in a computer can be called a data, so that email sent to someone from one computer to computer is actually sending data. The function of the protocol is to connect between senders and receivers so they can communicate. Wi-Fi is just a replacement for a cable so that your computer can access the network or LAN network. So if we have to look for cables, the plug to connect to the LAN, then the Wi-Fi is not the border looking for cables, but just looking for a signal. When the signal is on and allowed to enter, then we will be connected to the LAN. The required settings are the same as for a normal LAN communication. On the LAN side, there must be a DHCP server, which provides IP, DNS, default gateway setting automatically, so their computer can simply use the default signal from the AP. Automatically, the Wi-Fi card configuration on the computer will be adjusted. File transfer protocol are commonly referred to as FTP is an internet protocol that is used to share information. Data, or files contained on the computer to another computer in the same network. There are two things we should know about FTP, namely FTP client and FTP server. FTP server is a server whose job is to provide service for sending or exchanging data to FTP client with the condition that the FTP client must be first request to the FTP server. FTP client is a computer or device that requests data exchange service from the FTP server. So, it can be concluded that the FTP client is the request service, while the FTP server is to provide the service. Okay, thank you. And then will be continued by my friend Aulia Fitri.
The following is an image of the application interface display, where the file transfer process as an experiment is carried out in a local host, namely as a simulation where the journal shows a network condition with a disconnection status because the server has not opened a port for client to connect. From the following figure shows the server connection is in listening mode to wait for a connection from the client server. Server is in listen mode and client connected to server. Then is this journal shows the condition of the client and servers connection so that it is possible to send files between the server and client and vice versa. Process of sending files. In the final stage of the batch of file sending process, without any problems and connection between the server and client, so that it is possible to run properly. The file sending test show that the sending process is very dependent of the type and size of the file. Usually, files that are recognized by the operating system will be sent faster even though the file size is very large. That is usually files measuring more than 10 MB per case of unusual files of the same size, and usually the sending process will be slower. Okay, maybe that's all I can say. If there are word that's so word, please forgive me. Ernie friends will confirm it later. I invite Ernie. Alright, thank you for Latifa. Here I will discuss the result and discussion of the journal that we are currently reviewing. Alright, with going into detail, I will get into the discussion. Besides on the result of this journal review, result and discussion will be obtained where a system can run smoothly according to what we want, because a computerized system cannot be split between hardware and software. Software claimed support hardware, such as the operating system and Borland GLP7 with Borland socket feature. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you for Aulia for the Sanje. Let me continue in the presentation. The Sanje is of the East Journal is that for who already understand the accenting proverbs it will be easier to understand them. Decided that the authors in the East Journal refers to core topics of what is explanation, and the East Journal is very helpful to get to know more about FTP, LAN, and Wi-Fi. That the description of the exchanges of the East Journal. Then I will continue to explain how the context of the shortcomings on the East Journal. The drawbacks of the East Journal is the lack of explanation conveyed by the author where this journal refers to the main discussion only. So that there were many proverbs, so ordinary people might not understand what is this concept it is journal. As for the volume and fangets, there are displayed this journal along with the date and month on publication of the journal are not extensive. And in the methodology section of the images, the if journal, it has not be full explained so that is the faculty for reader to understand it the result of the expander and dispenser the I began in the East Journal. Next, then allow me to call out from all this description there is journal beside or yours above I can be called the file transfer protocol or what usually known as FTP is an application designed using a double Delphi language we can run well with 30 MB transfer process. The use of Borland Sasket in the application can handle many errors. The occurs of the word so as to minimize the max to file to be sent. The development of this application is made possible by adding features such as aggregation and encryption features of files sent over the network so that files are saved when the sent files. These are the result of the journal that we can sorry, there are wrong words out in education. Allow me as the moderator. Thank you very much for your education, them hours of video presentation, and to Mr. Kamarudin, thank you very much, sir. Maybe that's all and convenient. As you goodbye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.